Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see how to download Facebook Messenger voice messages. So to do that, let's head over to the Messenger. And once you are there, make sure you have logged into your desired account. And if you have any sort of voice messages in here, then you can just forward it to yourself in your Messenger because as photos, videos, we can't just save it on our phone. And then there's another idea you can use that is us and then just use your phone's phone screen recorder to record the voice and then you can keep it on your phone. So yeah, these are the two ways with which you can download Facebook Messenger voice messages. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.